Hey, Sam here, welcome to KamboXpress. I'm excited to show you the software in action today. This is a new software for Instagram. Now this is going to give you the ability to basically promote over Instagram. And we've seen a number of these softwares coming out. We'll probably see more of them coming in the future. The reason we're seeing them is that Instagram is a place where a lot of people are focusing their marketing attention. The reason is that a lot of people and businesses have found that Instagram is one of the most engaging networks now for selling products and for millennials who go shopping. I think something like 51% of millennials using Instagram right now have used Instagram to shop for a particular product. So it's a very effective platform at the moment. Now, Instagram allows you to basically update on your phone. It does not allow you to update from your computer. Thankfully, they have an API, and that's what allows these softwares to be created. Now, KamboXpress is a software which allows you to do a number of things you wouldn't be able to do on Instagram otherwise. It automates your Instagram marketing, and much like Instapilot, which we saw before, this is a software that will allow you to do a few tasks over Instagram you couldn't previously do. Now, this software here, KamboXpress, has some differences to Instapilot, and you'll be able to see these in their sales material, and you'll also be able to see them down below as well. So let's go and have a look at first what KamboXpress has, what it does, and how this might help your business. So first of all, you can post directly at Instagram from here. You can actually go through and search and edit viral content right from the dashboard right here if we want to. So for example, if we wanted to, we could search for shopping, and we could go search on Instagram. We could even search on Pinterest, and we can find images that we can then repost and use. Pinterest is a photo sharing website, so it makes sense that we would search through Pinterest to find some product images and posts that we would be able to then use within our Instagram profiles. Now, once you've done this, it'll come up with a number of different images, and you'll be able to then investigate. You'll be able to edit these posts, repost the post directly, download the post and edit it yourself, or you can bookmark it, come back to it later, so you'll be able to edit it later. Now, the software comes with this built-in editor, so any time that you do a search for images, you're going to be able to edit, crop, and adjust this image to suit what you want to post into Instagram. So say for example we're ready to post. What we could then do is we could go ahead, type in our description. We can add in some hashtags. Hashtags are how Instagram determines where an image should show up over Instagram when people search for it. So if we were to go hashtag shopping, for example, it's going to go ahead and it's going to categorize it. So when people search shopping in Instagram, our image is going to show up for that topic. And that's one of the reasons, or one of the ways that people use to generate traffic over Instagram. We can choose when we want to schedule this to go out, and then we can choose to schedule the post, or we can choose to post now if we want to. Right now the post has been scheduled. We can also search trending content if we want to. So we can search trending content on both Pinterest and on Instagram as well. This is content that is receiving a large amount of love or comments. So if these are basically recent posts, and you can use this information to either catch on to viral posts that are catching speed, and you can follow those people, you can look to engage with those people. You can also look to repost their work, edit if you want to, and then repost. Obviously you want to make sure that you have permission to do so, and you'll be able to use their content to repost if you want to. It's also the same on Pinterest. You can search through Pinterest. You can find this engaging content as well. Now, the auto like function and auto follow features are really cool for automating your Instagram marketing. You can literally automate the whole process by using this system right here. What you can do is you can go ahead, you can select your page, you can add which hashtags you want to add. So I'm going to add a couple, shopping, and I'll add shopping, and I'll add fitness. Now I can choose how many followers, follow users who have, say, 1,000 people following them, and a maximum of maybe 10,000. So we're following people between 1,000 and 10,000 to find people that might be interested in our topic. Now you want to make sure that the hashtags you use are hashtags that your page is looking to build on. So say for example, if you're selling fitness products, you're not going to want to put online marketing into this hashtags component. You're going to want to put fitness in there and keywords relating to fitness to make sure you're finding the right people. You can then go ahead and follow private accounts as well. I'm not going to do that. Follow users who have a certain amount of followers, and you can follow users that are following an X amount of users. You can also add usernames you want to follow here, and you can choose the start date and then the end date as to how many people you want to start following. Then you can also choose how many people you want to follow per day. Now I recommend keeping it natural and sticking this number a bit lower to make sure that it appears natural, because that's what Instagram is looking to achieve. So we've started our campaign. If we wanted to come back later, pause our campaign, edit our campaign, we can easily do that. Now let's go on to the add likes. So liking allows you to notify people that you like their content. It also helps, again, Instagram identify what content is quite popular. So you want to make sure that you get likes on your posts, and you want to like other people's posts as well. Again, this works in the same way. Search through hashtags, use those hashtags. You can filter based on likes, and you'll go ahead and then you'll basically be automatically liking people's posts, which is really, really cool, and it's going to save you a lot of time automating Instagram. Next, we have add campaign. Now, adding a campaign gives you the ability to comment, basically, an auto comment campaign. So this is going to be a comment campaign where you actually can submit comments to certain posts. You can choose what text you want to add, so you can set what text you want to say. So you could say, hey, cool, we could add this. You'd want to make sure probably it's a bit more specific. Fitness is my life. We can add that. These are different comments that will start to be posted as we go ahead and do this. All running on autopilot, all done really quite easily. The software also includes auto posting, so we can actually post to our page automatically as well. Again, it works in the same way, really easy. You type in the description, you post in the hashtags, you add them, and the software is going to rotate and run and submit those posts automatically. You've also got the ability to auto message people over Instagram. You can choose a new followers campaign, for example, write a message up, start the campaign, and it's going to start messaging people to invite them to follow you or invite them to look at your website. Then you've got the ability also to go to Instagram stories. Now, Instagram stories is probably one of the most popular ways right now of engaging people over Instagram. You can upload an image here, and it's going to combine into a story. You could actually drop in multiple images. It's going to combine into a story, which you can then post to Instagram, and that will show up in Instagram stories, which is something that a lot of people are viewing right now. Cool. So if we go down, you can also see your bookmarked posts here, any bookmarked posts that you've seen. You've got done for you campaigns here. And you've also got, again, these are the campaigns that are happening. These are the campaigns that we're currently running. These are do it for a DFY campaign templates, so we can actually post these if we want to. These are templates that the guys, the creators of KamboXpress, have started for us to edit and use. We've got copyright-free images that we can search through to use on our Instagram account. We've got a media library, and we've also got popular tags that we can search through as well. So that's what the software does. As you can see, there's a lot of differences between this software and Instapilot. Not only the way that it does its updating, but also there's a lot more automated functions inside of KamboXpress that you may not have seen in the front end of Instapilot. Now, one thing that to be aware of is that you can view analytics, you can view spying competitors, and you can also do that. So make sure you view down below all the details about the different packages, what's available with this. It's quite a generous package. They're launching the software at a low cost, and if you are interested in Instagram, I highly recommend taking a serious look at this software and really thinking whether this is right for you. Again, to clarify the differences in Instapilot and this software here. So this software is mainly for automated posting, whereas Instapilot has a number of manual posting features, a number of different search features, and it updates in a different way to Instagram. Also, it has a different stories feature, which allows you to update many different images to Instagram a lot easier. So hopefully that clarifies the differences between the two. There are a lot of similarities as well to these two softwares. I wanted to make sure I got on and reviewed this software because you're probably going to hear a lot about it, and it's important that you know the differences between this, Instapilot, or any of the other Instagram softwares that have been really popular recently. Okay, cool. Go down below, find out more, and I look forward to talking with you again soon. See you later.